Hi there, Robin here, and today we are talking about the CCTREE, which is the PLA in black that I get. It's the 1.75 millimeter. I store it in a Ziploc bag. It does work out really well, and I've used it. It's been like the choice of product that we've kind of reordered all the time for black when it comes to using our ender. Again, I keep it in a Ziploc bag for when I'm not using it. It runs really nice, and it's got a good gloss on it, which is really, for me, it was very nice. I've done some large pieces with it. I do some spacers for speakers every once in a while, and this works out really well as a product. And I keep it in the bag, so this way the actual product doesn't get brittle, and it feeds through really well. Because most of the stuff I do is flat, I have my actual roller off to the side here, and that seems to work out really well. It feeds it. Most of the time I'm printing only a couple of inches off the actual unit because I'm printing discs, spacers. So that's what's going on here. But again, the black, the glossiness was really nice. Not much you can go wrong with when it came to actual this, to the point that I'm going to show you some other colors and other videos, because the actual CCTREE brand for me has been pretty good. Well, I hope you found this video helpful today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. Like I say, thanks for watching, and bye for now.